Managing your business finances can be complicated, but Halvi Online Bank claims to simplify it. I tried it for a few weeks, and here's my full experience. Halvi is a digital bank designed for freelancers, entrepreneurs, and small businesses. Most people get this wrong. They assume it's just a bank account, but Halvi combines banking with invoicing, expense tracking, and even digital bookkeeping. The onboarding process was fast. I opened an account online in under 10 minutes, verified my ID, and had access to the account immediately. The interface is modern and intuitive. You can create invoices directly in the app, track expenses automatically, and categorize transactions for easy bookkeeping. One feature I really liked is the built-in tax reports, which simplify VAT or income tax preparation for freelancers. Payments are smooth, with IBAN support for international transfers and instant payments for local transactions. The Halvi MasterCard allows you to spend business funds easily and withdraw cash when needed. Customer service is responsive via chat and email, which is helpful if you have questions about account features or fees. On the downside, Halvi charges a monthly fee, which varies depending on the plan. For very small businesses or those who don't need the full suite of tools, this might feel high compared to a traditional bank. Also, it's primarily designed for EU users, so some international services are limited. In conclusion, Halvi is an excellent online banking solution if you're a freelancer or small business owner who wants banking, invoicing, and bookkeeping in one place. It's convenient, user-friendly, and saves time, but weigh the fees against your needs. Subscribe for more online banking reviews, tips on managing business finances, and advice to help you choose the best digital bank.